I was looking for bucket holders on Amazon, other places, something that's like circular, and then you stick the 5-gallon bucket into. And then I figured I could just screw the bucket down onto the decking. I went ahead and took one of these, and then I drilled 4 drain holes, like weep holes, to drain water if it rains. And so I use a drill, this bit here, and then I just plan on using 3 screws with that flat side there to hold it down. And I'm adding several attachments on here so I can reach down into the bucket. So we'll see if it works. All right, 3 screws in there, real nice and solid. All right, let's see how it works. Nice. Very good.